Welcome to Review Rumble. The Best Ball Maze is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys you can introduce to your toddler, offering a delightful blend of entertainment and developmental benefits that will captivate their attention for hours on end, fostering crucial skills through interactive play. Number 5. HABA Town Maze Magnetic Busy Board. Introducing the HABA Town Maze, a magnetic busy board designed for toddlers aged 2 and up. It's the perfect way to engage their minds and build essential skills without screens. Watch as your little one develops fine motor skills and enhances their focus while navigating the magnetic maze. This interactive toy provides hours of engaging, hands-on learning. Make travel time fly by with this essential toddler travel toy. It's a durable magnet maze that keeps curious minds entertained on road trips and during quiet moments. This magnetic maze offers a captivating problem-solving experience. It's an interactive activity that promotes learning and keeps them entertained, providing a fun alternative to screens. The felt-tipped magnetic wand is tethered for convenience and stores easily. All the metal balls are safely contained within the board, making it ideal for little hands. This magnetic busy board is a fantastic travel game for toddlers. It offers irresistible road trip activities that provide screen-free fun wherever you go. What we like. This magnetic maze is perfect for keeping little hands busy on the go. It's designed for toddlers aged 2 and up, offering a quiet and engaging activity. If you're looking for a durable travel toy that promotes fine motor skills and focus without screens, this is an excellent choice for road trips or restaurant waits. What people say. The ball maze is sturdy and well-made, with smooth edges that are safe for little hands. Toddlers love watching the balls roll down the maze, which helps develop their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The bright colors and engaging design capture a child's attention and encourage interactive play. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Magnetic Number Maze. Introducing the Melissa and Doug Magnetic Number Maze, a fun and engaging way for your child to learn. This wooden puzzle activity is perfect for developing early math skills. Guide the magnetic wand to move the correct number of apples. Help fill each animal's numbered basket with the right amount. Crafted with a sturdy wooden board and a thick acrylic cover, this toy features a securely attached magnetic wand. Best of all, there are no loose pieces, making it ideal for travel. This interactive maze encourages counting and early math skills. It also helps improve hand-eye coordination and problem-solving abilities. Perfect for preschoolers aged 3 to 5, it offers hours of hands-on, screen-free play. It makes a wonderful gift for young learners. What we like. This wooden maze focuses on early math skills with a fun apple-counting theme. It's ideal for preschoolers aged 3 and up. If you want a travel-friendly toy that reinforces counting and hand-eye coordination in a sturdy, screen-free format, this is a great pick. What people say. The maze is sturdy and well-made, with smooth edges that are safe for little hands. The beads move easily through the maze, providing a satisfying sensory experience for toddlers. It's a great size for travel and keeps my child entertained for extended periods. Number 3. Super Ball Drop Montessori Giant Marble Run. Introducing a massive 28-piece STEM tower designed for toddlers. It includes colorful bridges, large balls, and numerous ramps for endless building possibilities. This encourages STEM learning and develops hand-eye coordination. Create exciting crossovers between towers with double-hole bridges and winding ramps. This interactive play keeps children entertained and enhances their problem-solving skills. Crafted from strong, BPA-free plastic, this toy ensures long-lasting safety. The balls are ultrasonically welded and too large to swallow, providing stress-free play for children 10 months and up. All components are stackable, nestable, and interchangeable with other sets in the series. This offers modular creativity that grows with your child. Assembly is a breeze with no tools required. The ramps nest inside each other for easy storage and portability, perfect for families on the go. What we like. This massive STEM tower provides hours of engaging play for toddlers as young as 10 months. Its multi-tower design with bridges and winding ramps encourages problem-solving. If you're looking for a durable, safe, and expandable ball run that fosters early STEM skills and offers exciting crossovers, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The beads are large enough not to be a choking hazard and the maze is sturdy. It's a great toy for developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The bright colors and smooth finish make it visually appealing and safe for little hands. Number 2. Kiddzery 5PC Toddler Jungle Gym Playset. Get ready for endless adventures with this exciting 5-piece playset. It's designed to spark joy and keep your little ones entertained for hours. Watch as their creativity soars. This playset encourages imaginative play, crawling, and active exploration, helping them develop essential skills. Whether indoors or outdoors, the fun never stops. It's perfect for the playroom, backyard, or any space where adventure awaits. Busy parents rejoice. This pop-up play tent sets up in seconds and folds away compactly for easy storage. Moving it around is a breeze too. Crafted with safety in mind, this playset provides a secure and durable space for your child to crawl, explore, and enjoy their own special play world. It's a jungle gym, a crawl tunnel, and an obstacle course all in one. With a ball pit and basketball hoop, the possibilities for fun are limitless. What we like. This versatile 5-piece playset transforms into a jungle gym with tunnels, ball pits, and an obstacle course. It's designed to encourage active play, crawling, and imagination for boys and girls. If you want a fun, engaging option for both indoor and outdoor adventures that promotes coordination and confidence, this is a great choice. What people say. The ball maze is designed with vibrant colors and different textures that engage toddlers. It features a sturdy construction that can withstand rough play, ensuring durability. The maze encourages fine motor skills development as toddlers guide the balls through the tracks. Number 1. Fat Brain Toys Roll and Bounce Tower. Introducing the Roll and Bounce Tower from Fat Brain Toys. It's a large ball-run tower designed for endless fun and learning. Experience the unique trampoline feature that adds an exciting bounce to every ball's journey. Watch it drop, bounce, and land perfectly. Your child will be captivated by the curving tracks and spinning obstacles. It's designed to keep them entertained and curious. Perfect for little ones 12 months and up, it's BPA-free and built for safety. It helps develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This engaging toy encourages cause-and-effect learning through interactive play. It makes learning an exciting adventure. The set comes with 27 track and tower pieces, 3 dual-tone balls, and easy-to-follow building instructions. Get ready for hours of fun. What we like. This beginner ball run is perfect for the youngest explorers, starting at 12 months. The unique trampoline feature adds an exciting bounce to the ball's journey down the tracks. If you're seeking a visually stimulating toy that teaches cause and effect and develops fine motor skills with a fun, bouncy twist, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The maze is designed with a clear top, allowing children to easily see the ball's journey. It's a great way to develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination as toddlers guide the ball through the maze. The sturdy construction ensures it can withstand enthusiastic play from toddlers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.